Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the mesh and creating the armature. First, apply scale and rotation so bones behave predictably. This avoids deformation math errors later. Once done, enter edit mode and position a root bone at the pelvis. Keep bone rolls aligned with joint flow. Make sure to enable X-ray or in front for the armature so you can place bones inside the mesh accurately. These first steps set a reliable foundation for automatic skinning and manual weight tweaks. Now construct a clean bone hierarchy and align each limb precisely. You extrude bones for spine, neck, and limbs while keeping joint pivots at anatomical locations. This reduces twisting problems later. Once bones exist, correct bone rolls using the axis overlay or the bone roll tool. Consistent rolls make auto-weighting behave. Then parent and mirror the right side with L and R suffixes so symmetry is preserved. When bones are named and matched, parenting to the root gives you a coherent rig structure ready for skinning. Finish by skinning the mesh and adding practical controls. You bind the mesh to the armature with automatic weights for a quick baseline, then create simple IK chains for legs and arms while leaving FK on spine and fingers for precision. Once controls exist, test extreme poses to reveal problem areas. Switch to weight paint to correct hot or missing influences. If weights slip, use normalize all and clean vertex groups. One troubleshooting tip. If deformation behaves oddly, check applied transforms and bone roll.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.